Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to today's Lever video update for Sunday 24th of July. And what's cooking? What's going on? So yesterday I actually started talking about Lever as well. You know, it's been a requested coin for quite a while now. And there's one thing that I want to say though, and it's that Bitcoin is looking quite good. A lot of altcoins are looking really good at the moment. The question is Bitcoin going to try to drag it up, even though we do have some bearish pattern for lever at the moment? So what I'm going to do is remove all the drawings once again and try to redraw every single damn thing that we can, right? So the thing is, you see, the last time that you made a bearish continuation pattern, something like this one right over there, okay? So you made this, and did you meet the technical target? So from there to there, I want to see if actually the technical target was met or not. No, you didn't actually meet the technical target, which was down here at 2243. Who knows, it can actually even come down to 2243. But when Bitcoin gets bullish, it can actually force a bearish pattern to be invalidated. But in order for us to invalidate that bearish pattern, I'm going to tell you what you have to really do. So you do have this bearish continuation right over there, and this technical target actually is from there to there. You look, and the breakout really happened. So we were looking forward to a drop from there to there, basically down to this technical target right here, 2888. Okay, so 2888 is what I'm looking for, and it's still in play. It's still in play, but the only way to invalidate this bearish pattern is to wait for a clear breakout above this level, and you hold this level and then you start to move higher. That's when I'm going to say that, hey, we're ready to actually move even way more farther to the upside. And that's it for this quick update on Leverfi. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.